Hello, Bridget Bartlett here with Visual Marketing and Design, and today we are live inside of our team training where we are live Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So today I'm going to share with you a few updates to the HighLevel website builder that are pretty exciting. If you are unfamiliar with our program, we help you build a business online and put your leads on autopilot. We use the HighLevel suite of tools as a white label platform that we have branded ourselves. But if you would like to create your own HighLevel account, or maybe you're just not that techie of a person and you want to join our agency, you can go to bridgetbartlett.com to become a member. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and dive into the website. You can see if you're unfamiliar with the dashboard, you just go to sites and you'll see like I've chose funnels, but it's the same as websites. Okay. So I've already opened up the funnel builder. So you can see here is the first change. When you click in a text box, now you have the options up here. It used to be that you would highlight and then a little a little like box would appear here, but now you'll see that they're actually along the top and you have some more options. Okay, so you can make this bold here, you can italicize it, you can put a strike through. These are all the same options here, but now you have this pops up, so it makes it a little easier. It used to be that little black box that you would paste in there, so that's really cool. Also, you can add the this indentation here. You can make it H1 or H2, H3, 4, 5, 6, and then you could also clear the formats as well. Okay, so that being up there is one of the super cool updates that just makes it a little bit more user-friendly. Okay. The next thing is let's go ahead and add a new column here. And then if you click add elements, you'll see that now we have the blog available. Okay, it actually is if you see here, it is available already in your dashboard, so that's super cool. I did do a training, I think last week or the week before, on the blog builder. It's super easy to use, and it was actually created for you to embed into any website, kind of like drop-in blog. Okay, so super cool that we have that available now. But if you did want to add that to your website, it was in beta version when I did the training, so it is there now. So you just drop that in, just like any other drop-in blog builder. And then of course, to create your blog posts and all of that, you want to come here to the actual blog tool. But once you've done that and you want to embed this into any of your website pages, you can just use the element there. Okay, so that is super cool as well. Now the next thing is the FAQ section, okay? Because this is cool, because I actually did a training on this a couple weeks ago on how to use ElfSite as a FAQ section. So you just build it on ElfSite, and then you can embed it into HighLevel. But now HighLevel has their own element for the FAQ. I do want to say hello to Floyd, who's watching on YouTube. Hello, Floyd. Okay, so for the FAQ, all you need to do is just drag this element here, and then you can see when you go to type here that you have your options that appear up here as well. So let's just say we're going to call this step 1. Okay, let's go ahead and call this step 2. And then we'll say step 3. Okay. And then you can see here that we can choose some different looks. So we can choose contained or separated or simple. We also can edit these here. So if we wanted to add content, and you can also bring in one of the images. So let's say that I wanted to add that, and then we could, create some more text here. And then of course, if we wanted to change this, and we wanted to do some more text and add images. So you can see that it's very, very simple. Of course, if you wanted to duplicate or you wanted to delete, super simple. Okay, you can also go to the advanced and you have a lot more customization. So you can choose the icon when you close it and when it opens. And you can also choose the icon if you want it on the right or the left. Okay. You can change the line height here. Let's see, move that so you can see what that does. You can expand multiple items at the same time or collapse them, keep the first content open on the load. And then you can also show image as a pop-up on a click. So there's lots of different things that you can do here. We can also change the colors here. So if we wanted to change it to like purple, You can see how that changes that text color there. Let's just change some of these colors just to see what they all do. Okay, so that's like the border there, the separation line. Let's make this green, so that's the text there. And then we have like, let's do pink. Okay, so that's the background. And we could make this black. And then we can make this color here. So cool, cool. Let's change this. Okay, so you get the point, right? If we had any links here, we could change the link color as well. You can also change the font families. So really you can customize any of these things. And what's really cool is you can change the mobile font size here so that you can basically customize what it looks like on the mobile version. Okay, because you probably do, you know, a lot of times these accordion elements, you know, you want to make sure that if you're using them, they look really good on mobile. So that's really cool. You can also adjust the spacing here. So it's the same as, you know, the typical website builder, but you do have the customizations there. You also can create a border. So let's just add a border here. And let's say we'll do dashed, and maybe we wanted to change this to white. So when you click out of there, you see what the actual border looks like there. Let's go back to advanced. And then of course you have the option to make it visible on desktop or mobile. Okay, so those are the three main things that I was excited to tell you about. So you no longer, if you need an FAQ section, you no longer need to go to Elfsight. So let's go ahead and preview what this looks like here. We're just going to scroll down and you'll see here is our section. So as we open it up, you can see that it works perfectly. And of course, you have with all those customizations, you have lots of options to make it how you need it to be. Okay, guys, so that is all that I had to share for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you all tomorrow. Same time, same place. Go make your vision a reality.